everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from the brand Nostalgia on Amazon.com. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Nostalgia, and this one is from Amazon.com. And this brand has reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So thank you for allowing me to review this unit for my audience. Now let's get down to the specs of this unit. Now this unit is a 24-inch wig. It is long, but not super long. So it's very manageable. Now in terms of the construction of the cap, it is a pre-cut lace, which I absolutely love. I only had to go in and cut it a little bit more, but that's my personal preference. And as far as any combs, it does come with combs. It comes with 2 combs at the front by the parting space, 1 at the back, and it has adjustable straps. A pretty standard cap. Now in terms of the color, I have it in this nice kind of honey blonde mixture here. On Amazon.com, they have a variety of other colors that you can choose from. I really prefer this color because I wanted something a little bit different other than black and other than something like a crazy color like I usually would go for. Now with this is a layered wig. So at the front, you do have shorter pieces going into a longer piece. Now I can definitely go ahead and add a little bit more layers because probably how I flat ironed it. I tried to bring it in a little bit more, but it just wasn't working out for me. But in terms of that, I will definitely add a little bit more layers to this wig so it could be a little bit more layered like the photo. And I'm sure you could get it like the photo as is, but I'm not an expert in the straightening and curling as of yet. So I need to get back into it so that way it will fit appropriately. Now, in terms of the parting space, I would say it's about 5 to 6 inches long. It's not bad, and I added my lace tint powder and lace tint spray. The lace tint spray is at the inside, and the lace powder is literally on the lace itself on the outside. So it has that nice color to it that matches my skin tone and agrees pretty well. So with this wig, you can't even see where the lace begins, which I absolutely love with this wig. And of course, I went in with my wax stick to make it a little bit more flat. Now, in terms of the heat, it does take heat very well, but please keep in mind that you can't put it too hot to burn the wig. So pretend it's your natural hair and you don't want to burn it too much. I would say a safe space would be between 350 and 380, and that's in Fahrenheit. So you put it in between those and you should be fine. Surprisingly, I didn't have any shedding, which is really good. It's quite easy as well to throw on and go. Now, in terms of where you can purchase it, it is on Amazon.com. I will leave a link down below as well. And yeah, so far, I really like this wig. It is beautiful. I love the color, and just in time for fall, my favorite season. So you can wear it now. It's the summertime. Everything is cool, but I really like this color. It complements my skin tone really well, and the length isn't bad at all. So definitely a 5 out of 5 for me. So thank you so much, Nostalgia, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and as well, the link to this unit will be down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in another one. Take care. Bye.